Have you ever noticed that on some days, the currency that you're trading moves very slow? Now, the reason for that is because there is an announcement, a pending announcement for that country or for that currency that's going to impact that currency. So people, the banks or the institutions are waiting for that announcement to happen before they actually place their orders. So how do you know when this announcement is going to happen and which announcements actually impact your are going to impact the currency that you're trading? So I use a fantastic application called MyFixBook. You can use the web version or you can use the mobile application. So let me find there's the mobile application, which is over there, and then you can see all the announcements that are going to happen for the currency that you are going to be trading. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to sign up to MyFixBook, create an account, and then you only need to watch the high impact news. So once you've created your account, you can click on the economic calendar, and then you can click on these three little buttons over there, and it'll tell you which news you want to be alerted for. So I only want to be alerted for the high impact news, and I only want to be alerted for, let's say, the US dollar. So CAD influences gold and the US dollar. US dollar, I want to know. Right, so that's so understanding the US dollar and the CAD helps me understand gold as well. So I just click on apply, and then I can see the announcements that are going to happen today, okay, or this week. So this is what's going to happen today, this is what's going to happen on Thursday, and if I click on more, then I will see the rest of the results. And these are the indicators that are going to affect gold, the US dollar, and any currency that's traded with the US dollar, so euro, US dollar, etc. And it's also going to affect the XAU USD, which is the gold price as well. So which are the currencies that most affect the gold and the US dollar? Well, it's the PPI, the CPI, interest rates, FOMC, job loss announcements. Those are the high impacting announcements that are going to influence the price of the US dollar and any currency traded with the US dollar. So I hope that you found this video interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe and comment on the video. So once you do that, it helps the video get traction, and the video will then be shown to other people that are interested in the subject. If you subscribe to my channel, then obviously you'll be notified for new videos that I come out with that could help you to become more profitable and help you make more money. So please like, subscribe, and comment on the video. So if you're interested in passive income, in the comment section of this video is my website on how you can make passive income, and on my website are my live statistics, and also in the comment section is the link to the broker that I use, where you can get fantastic benefits. So subscribe to that broker and subscribe to my channel. Go to my website. Let's get you started in trading profitably. I'll see you on my next video.